everybody, how are you? How are you all doing? So today I'm doing some videos to answer some of your questions about the hair system. The first question I'm going to be answering today is, do I shave my hair underneath the hair system? First of all, I don't need any hair when I do have this beautiful hair system. Yes, I do shave my hair underneath the hair system because it makes it easier to attach, easier to take it off, and you don't need it anyway. You've got a brilliant hair system. And about the process and about the bespoke hair system in Hair for All and how they do customize it for every single customer, what Hair for All does, first of all, they customize the hair system and make it fitted to your head so it looks perfectly natural on you. This is the first thing. The second thing, they took an example of your actual hair and match it with the hair system. So when you have the hair system, the hair itself match your actual hair. Third thing, they do have this tool that see your skin color, so the lace of the hair system match your skin color. How amazing is that? Look at this. So you get this result. You got this amazing front line where it looks 100% natural. This is my information about the hair system today. If you have any question, send me an email on the email down below, and have a good day.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.